gonna go ahead and try these two. Pricey. If you do it up front, where it's $40 per person, and then with the dog it would be $80. But anyway. Good morning. Today is our first morning at Magic Kingdom. We did the other day, but it was during the evening, night actually, late night. So we are back, and you can consider this our first actual full park day at Magic Kingdom.
Thank you so much.
And yeah, right. This is our first day seeing it during the day.
During the day, yeah.
So after what seems like a lifetime, but in reality 3 years, we're seeing it during the day, and the sounds and the views.
I like it at night though.
You like it more at night?
Well, there's no heat. The lights are like coming out. All the lights.
I agree, but I do like it during the day as well.
And it's in like a new way to see the rides too. Like with outdoor rides, you know, like you can't see what's happening in the front, so like it's in the dark. It's nice.
I agree. Let's take in just the regular ambiance and the views and the castle, and let's just walk around. It is quite full. We didn't want to come right at park opening. Where's my companion? I keep losing her.
People are taking pictures of us staying away, but it's impossible.
So we didn't want to come straight at park opening, even though it did have extra early morning or extra magic hours, whatever it's called. It's so hard to keep up with all the new names. But yeah, we wanted to wake up a little bit earlier, get extra sleep, extra rest, since we've been hitting the parks pretty much every day except for our first arrival day. So I thought, let's just take it a little bit more easier, not come. And I think we're good. And so we do have a fast pass. It started right now at 9. It's about 9 right now. And we're gonna go for it. It's Big Thunder Mountain, so that's where we're gonna head right now. We're only planning to do half of the park today, and then we'll do the other half the other day. So yeah, we just don't want to get tired. You want to take a picture right now?
Where?
Right here for the castle. Let's do it. We're gonna go take a picture right in front of the castle. So just a quick tip, for the fast pass pictures of the castle, go to the last photographer because they tend to have less people. We were right on the next person family up to take a picture, so that's a quick tip of the day. Yes. I love the little music here.
It's not that hard.
Just made it over to Big Thunder, and look at the line, and it's a 75-minute wait.
Yeah, fast pass.
So thank goodness we did manage to get a fast pass, because I do not want to wait in this heat for the fast pass. So let's check in. Hello.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Who's there?
Oh, it beats waiting in this other line.
Can you?
I'm a Hard Rock fan myself.
I mean, it is so early and it is so hot already.
Tell me why.
Thank you. Had a little challenge. So after our Big Thunder Mountain reservation, we were supposed to go to Splash Mountain with our fast pass, but it's down. And so when you have a reservation or a fast pass for a particular attraction and it's down, you will get
that doesn't look like 5 minutes.
at any time.
Sorry.
That's okay. You will get an anytime fast pass that you can use on many attractions. So we decided to change our touring plan, which I love. It's over here. Stand by. So this is where we're going. Arr. So we decided to change our plans and we are going to go to Pirates of the Caribbean. So that's where we're going. So touring plans claimed that it's only 5 minutes. I don't know. It said 50 minutes. Maybe I read it wrong. I don't know. But regardless, we're coming in because it's nice and fresh. So yeah, we had to do a little bit of juggling of our plans, but I like it that I don't have to break my head trying to figure it out. I just plug it all in into the touring plans, which is why I love, purchasing it. And so now we are we're planning to use the Anytime Fast Pass for Space Mountain. And we're going to do it later in the evening. And then we're going to continue just coming here to Pirates. Yeah, I know, I saw. We just literally missed it. Wow. We were literally out there. Like, see a second. Oh, keep on. I know, it was like, I didn't even feel a drop or anything. It just let it out. I don't know if you can.
It's gonna cool down at least
Or get more humid.
or
So you can kind of see it right there. It's raining. But it wasn't raining literally nothing at all when we were out there. Like, not even a minute ago.
it was cloudy.
Yeah, it was cloudy, but there was no drop. So I'm glad we made it here just in time. Okay, so we're gonna continue. We're almost there. The line. This is what I love about Pirates. It moves really, really quick.
Oh my gosh, I just saw inside.
And besides, yeah, but like I said, it moves rather quickly, and it's nice and fresh in here. So, no. Okay, so we're back to switching of plans again. We decided to take our fast pass and Splash Mountain back, and we're gonna go on it. And so we're back at it. I still think it's gonna be a long wait, but it's hot, so.
50 minutes ago.
So what did we just spend like the past 30, 45 minutes doing?
Watching one piece of popcorn, hoping someone's gonna step on it.
And who did they step on it?
Nope, just kicked it around, ran it over with the strollers and wheelchairs, and that was fun.
So who had to step on it? That's what mothers do.
I don't know, I'm weird.
So it's so nice. Sometimes we get so wrapped up in running around, going from attraction to attraction, which is what we did last time on our trip.
Yeah.
Right now we just ate a Mickey pretzel.
We shared it.
We shared our Mickey pretzel, sat down, people watched, or popcorn watched. Just relaxed
There
and
was
read.
one piece of kernel like in the not the road, but like the pathway.
And just sat there, ate it, and just watched the mine train go by.
I don't know about you, but my feet are really like they don't hurt no more. They don't burn. I don't know about you.
They're better. They're not hurting as much, but yeah, they're a little bit better.
I am good.
Yeah. And now we're going for our reservation.
Yes.
Put ourselves to the test. That's what we will do.
Oh,
So what you do when you're coming to be our guest is in the front, when you come in, there's like this little kiosk right over there. You check in, they'll scan your magic band if you have a reservation and you pre-ordered. They'll give you a rose. Let me see, that looks like a little puck, like that. You get a yellow one if you pre-ordered, and then you go ahead and skip the line. You don't have to, the majority of the line. You don't have to wait in the longer line, which is over on that side. See, so it's a little bit shorter. And another nice thing is that they have little water station up in the front, so if you're waiting in a long line and you need to get a refreshing water, they have this right over here, so you can get a nice refreshing cold water. If, like I said, you pre-ordered, you go on a separate queue, which is a little bit shorter. If you didn't pre-order, you go on a little bit longer of a queue and you order over there in some kiosks. But don't worry if you're not sure, if you pre-ordered your food and you're still not sure what you want to have at the day of and you want to change it, you can still go ahead and change your order. So there's no worry. You don't have to know 180 days in advance what you're going to have. So you can still change it the day of, no problem. If you've never seen, this is how they bring your food in those little carts right there. So it's so adorable. I love it. So right now we're waiting for our food to come in. Right now, so far, I know it's really dark and you can't see, but my daughter wanted to have the gray stuff. So I got her that one. And we're eating in the beast, I think this is what, his bedroom, or I don't know what this would be considered, but this is where we're eating. And I will show you shortly what we will eat, hopefully in pictures that are somewhat visible. It's very dark in here, so you can't really see or hear. Yes, it is. It's very, very dark.